Hi everyone, I'm Will with R&R Tire Express, and today on Tread TV, we have none other than Yokohama in studio with us, highlighting some of their most popular tires. So we're here today talking about the Avid Touring-S tire. We have Ryan. Ryan, thanks so much for being here with us.
Will, thanks for having us, man. I've been looking forward to this.
Absolutely. Now, you're the man. You got all the knowledge. Tell our viewers what they need to know about this tire.
Yeah, so the Avid Touring-S is one of our all-season tires. It's going to give you exceptional ride quality and stability on the road.
Gotcha. Now, I got to tell you, I've heard that these are also really affordable tires as well, correct?
They are affordable tires.
And when we're talking affordable, we're not talking about just passenger, right? It fits many different types of vehicles, correct?
Absolutely. You know, passenger's a great way to start with it, but we can also do crossover SUVs, minivans.
Yeah.
You kind of name it, it's going to fit in there.
Now, we're talking minivans, right? One of the big things for when people buy minivan tires is they want to know about safety, and there's a special sidewall with this tire as well, right?
Absolutely. We have a luxury sidewall construction on this. And we've got an insert that fits in there. That insert goes up twice as much as our competitors do. What that does is it actually stiffens the sidewall, makes it a little bit more comfortable ride for you.
Right. Tires, big purchase, right? Big purchase for people. They really want to know, what are they buying? What's the warranty? Tell us a little bit about the warranty.
Yeah, so we have a 65,000 mile warranty on the Avid Touring-S. But not to mention, we do have a 30-day ride guarantee. So if they don't like that tire within 30 days, they can send it back. But you know what? They're not going to.
I love it. So what I'm hearing is, we got affordable, we got safe, we got a fantastic warranty. I mean, you really can't go wrong with those three things.
You can't, but let's add one more thing on top of that. They're made right here in the United States of America.
There you go. Can't get any better. Avid Touring-S tire. Ryan, thank you for being here with us today. If you'd like more information on those tires, make sure you visit rnrtires.com, and we'll see you next time right here on Tread TV. Thanks for watching this episode of Tread TV. If you'd like more information on how to care for your vehicle or your tires and wheels, make sure you check out one of our other videos or subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so that you never miss a single update.